The U.S. Navy is developing what could be America's last manned fighter jet. The F/A-XX sixth-generation fighter promises revolutionary capabilities that could reshape naval aviation. But there's a problem. Congress just slashed its funding by 84%. Today we're examining whether the F/A-XX will save American naval dominance in the Pacific or become another victim of Washington budget battles. American carriers face a deadly equation in the Pacific. The F/A-18 Super Hornet can strike targets 520 miles from its carrier. China's DF-26 anti-ship missiles can hit carriers from 2,500 miles away. This forces our carriers to operate so far from shore that our fighters can't reach meaningful targets. The F/A-XX solves this with a 747-mile combat radius, a 25% increase that lets carriers strike from safer distances. The F/A-XX delivers three game-changing capabilities. All aspect. Stealth. Next-generation stealth technology that hides the aircraft from radar at all angles and frequencies, surpassing current fifth-generation fighters. AI quarterback role. The pilot commands both manned aircraft and unmanned drones through artificial intelligence systems, multiplying combat effectiveness. Carrier optimization. Built specifically for carrier operations with reinforced landing gear, catapult compatibility, and corrosion resistance. The numbers tell the story. F/A-XX funding dropped from $454 million in fiscal year 2025 to a proposed $74 million for fiscal year 2026. That's an 84% cut that threatens program survival. The Pentagon prefers funding the Air Force's F-47 NGAD program over the Navy's F/A-XX. Officials worry America's defense industry can't handle both programs simultaneously without compromising quality or timelines. While America debates funding, China advances its own sixth-generation fighters and integrated air defense systems. The J-20 stealth fighter already patrols areas where American fighters struggle to operate. Pacific allies watch American commitment closely. F/A-XX delays or cancellation signal, declining U.S. technological leadership to Japan, Australia, and South Korea. Building a sixth-generation fighter for carriers adds complexity. The aircraft must survive 150-mile-per-hour arrested landings, catapult launches, and ocean corrosion while maintaining advanced stealth and AI systems. America's aerospace industry faces capacity limits. Developing two revolutionary fighters simultaneously strains resources and talent, forcing difficult choices between Air Force and Navy priorities. Scenario 1. Congress restores funding. Program continues on schedule for 2030 deployment. Scenario 2. Reduced funding delays program 3 to 5 years, requiring restart with new contracts. Scenario 3. Program cancellation forces Navy to extend Super Hornet service life indefinitely. Congress must choose between short-term budget savings and long-term Pacific security. The $74 million proposed funding barely covers program management, effectively ending F/A-XX development. The F/A-XX represents America's answer to Chinese military expansion in the Pacific. Its 747-mile range, advanced stealth, and AI integration could maintain U.S. naval aviation superiority for decades. But revolutionary capability means nothing without funding. The 84% budget cut signals Washington values immediate savings over strategic advantage. The question isn't whether America can build the F/A-XX, it's whether America will choose to build it. That decision happens now in congressional committees and Pentagon budget meetings. The future of American naval aviation depends on whether lawmakers see the F/A-XX as essential capability or expensive luxury. China isn't waiting for our answer.